current economy is affecting some harder than others. Many of us feel the impact every day when we're buying groceries, paying bills, or simply trying to get ahead. We know we need to maintain a good credit score, but when we're struggling to make ends meet, that's easier said than done. So the good news, today we have help from a leader at Premier Bankcard. Here with some great tips to help us manage this daily struggle is Suhey Sayer. Welcome.
Hi, thank you for having me.
Thanks for being here, because this is really an important topic. We mentioned the fact that people find themselves sometimes with more bills than their budget. So let's talk about that first.
Yeah, it's actually more common than you would think. A lot of people have to make difficult decisions every single day about balancing their financial obligations with the reality of not having a lot of funds. It can be kind of a difficult process to get out of it, but the number one thing is to be in communication with your lenders.
Great tips there. More common than ever. Don't feel bad about it. Balancing it all might mean tough decisions and no quick solutions. So for someone out there, or for all those people out there saying, we owe a lot of money, not a great strategy to go radio silent.
That is correct.
Talk about that a little bit for me.
Yes, so they actually want you to be reaching out to them. They're able to provide solutions that will help you to manage your payment plans. For instance, at Premier, we have an award-winning 100% US-based customer service team that can help you find solutions just like that.
That's fantastic. So to sum that up, most important, communicate with your lenders. That is the key. Communicate. Some lenders may be willing to work with you and seek solutions to help manage payments. Now, we know that unfortunately life can be a vicious cycle if you can't make ends meet. What would you say to someone that says, okay, I need to get out of this, but I don't want it to affect my score. I just don't want it to get worse.
Yeah, so I actually have 3 tips for you today that I want to share. The first one is to pay down your existing debt first. Try to get that as low as you can. The second one is to keep your balances manageable compared to your spending limits. And the third one is to stick to a budget to avoid overspending.
And I'm going to sum it up because you said it perfect. Pay down existing debt first, keep balances manageable, live within your means.
Yes.
How many times do we hear that, right?
All the time.
And at Premier, what I love the most is that you deal with customers with low credit scores every single day, right, Suhey?
Yes, we do. I've worked there for almost 10 years, and I can say they're just built different than anybody else I've ever seen. Over the years, we've helped millions of customers take that second chance when other credit card companies passed on them. So whether you want to build your credit for the first time or rebuild it, Premier wants to help.
So if you want that second chance, it's right here. Premier has helped millions. Customer first focus. I love that. Premier approves lower credit scores. For our viewers who'd like more information, where can they go?
They can go to mypremiercreditcard.com or check out any of our social media pages.
I think you're going to be helping a lot of people. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And if you'd like more information, go to our website, thebalancingAct.com.